the connection between your birth month and your health. Your birth month may reveal more about you than you think. It is also a window to your health. Here's how. Aries governs the head and brain and their ailments. They tend to overthink things to the point of headaches, tooth issues, jaw grinding, and even facial blemishes. Aries can readily take up the challenge and the fight involved with chronic illness. Taurus. Venus governs over Taurus and controls the lower jaw, the throat, and insulin production. A strong Taurus gives good hearing and fine teeth, but still an openness to colds and flus. Gemini. The twins are ruled by Mercury, which deals with dual body parts, arms, legs, and so on, and the respiratory system. Therefore, a strong as well as weakened Gemini tends to attract common colds, whereas a weakened Gemini is also sensitive to flu and cough and tendonitis. Cancer. Being sensitive and intuitive to changes in their bodies, Cancer types tend to build psychological barriers and accumulate stress. Crabs are tied to the stomach and digestive system, which is why they are highly intuitive and emotionally charged. Leo. Heart chakra vulnerabilities for Leos and potential identity crisis with stressful illness symptoms like mild autistic emotional temperaments. They are naturally authoritative and confident, so if anything's causing them to feel otherwise, it can invite back problems, heart ailments, and lethargy. Virgos are ruled by Mercury as well, but the health focus for this sign is on the digestive tract and intestines. Without enough relaxation time to balance their worker bee tendencies, ulcers, constipation, and food allergies could result. Libra. Venus has jurisdiction over Libra and controls kidney and bladder functions. Librans thrive on pleasure, both giving and receiving, but too much of one over the other can cause excretory problems. Scorpio. This sign absorbs the intensity and fluctuations of their illness somatically. If naturally intense Scorpios get too jealous or obsessive, or if negativity motivates their actions, Pluto can wreak havoc on their reproductive systems as well as on their kidneys and bladders. Sagittarius. It's all about the thighs, hips, liver, and sciatic nerve for Sagittarians thanks to Jupiter's dominance. Health problems range from spinal disorders and rheumatism to detoxification issues. Capricorn governs the bones of the body, specifically the knees. They are ambitious and determined, but those characteristics can also lead to stubbornness, which then brings about fragile bones and weakened, rigid joints. Possible problems include arthritis, knee issues, and osteoporosis. Aquarius governs the arms and legs and one's ability to move about in general. If Aquarians don't take time to breathe and relax, astrologists believe their fast pace could lead to arthritis, heart problems, swollen limbs, varicose veins, asthma, and increased allergic reactions. Pisces. These ultra-sensitive fish are ruled by their daydreams and by Neptune, which controls the lymphatic system and feet. They are prone to foot problems and a weakened immune system that leaves them vulnerable to a number of diseases. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.